go with x comma y. The first one is x comma y is equal to 10 comma 3. What is the meaning of this? Is x is equal to 10 and y is equal to is going to be 3, value of 3. Right? Now, here we are going to have the next one is print x plus y. What is meant by x plus y? X is equal to 10 is there, y is equal to 3 is there. X plus y, that is nothing but 10 plus 3. It is going to give me the answer of 13. The x plus y is going to give me answer of 13. Similarly, x minus y, that is 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. And it is given by minus symbol. Similarly, multiplication is given by x into y, which is nothing but 10 into 3, which is nothing but 30. Similarly, x divisible by 5. This is important. Since we know the symbol of plus symbol, minus symbol, multiplication and division, now x divided by 5 is nothing but x divided by y is nothing but 10 divided by 3, which is nothing but 3.3333, like this, right? 3.3333. So now how it is calculated? First you are going to take 10 and you are going to divide with 3, and 3 times 9, and you are going to get a remainder of 1. Now here, whenever you are going to apply the division concept, you are going to continue this one till you get the remainder as 0. Means by keeping one digit dot, and you are going to take this one again 3, 9, again 1, 3, 9, 1. Like this you are going to continue till you get the remainder as 0. Till you get the remainder as 0, this is going to continue. For example, 10 divided by 4. If you take 10 divided by 4, 10 2 times 4 into 2, 8. The remainder is 2. And you are going to keep it as a dot, and you are going to get 25. 4 5s are 20 and remainder is 0. Means you are going to continue the division till you get the remainder as 0. That is called as division. And there is one more type of thing is there in the Python called as floor division. Floor division is given by double slash, okay, which is nothing but 10 divided by 3. So if you take 10 and 3 here, 3 times 9 and 1, you have to stop here itself. After the decimal, you should not continue. You should not keep the dot, or you should not keep the 0 or nothing like that. You have to stop the individual. Means you have to take the int, the divisor, whatever the divisor you have got here with respect to dividend, divisor and quotient and remainder. So here you are having this as the dividend. This is the divisor. This is the quotient value. And this is the remainder value, right? So now you are going to take the quotient only up to the int only. You should not move on to the dot. You should not keep the dot. When you are taking x floor division y is equal to, that is 10 by 3, you are going to get answer as 3 only. The value is going to be 3, just 3. It is just going to be 3. It is not going to be 3 point. No 3 point, only 3. Next, similarly, there is called as symbol called as x percentage y. What is the meaning of x percentage y? Means 10 percentage 4. This percentage symbol is called as modulo. 10 modulo 4. What is the modulo of 10 modulo 3 like this? What is the meaning of this? Means whatever the remainder you have got after the quotient, this remainder you are going to consider as the modulo. The modulo gives you the remainder. This gives the quotient value. Floor division goes to the quotient value, and this gives the remainder value. Right? Similarly, power x to the power of y. If you are having x to the power of y, in the Python, the same thing is represented by x to the power of. This double star indicates power of. This is x to the power of y. You are going to have x to the power of y. So just if you apply like this, x to the power of y, now you are going to have, the first one is 10 plus 3, 13, 10 minus 3, 7, 10 into 3, 30. Next one is 3.33. Next one is only the quotient value of 3 and remainder of 1, and 10 to the power of 3, which is 1000. So these are the multiple things which are available within the arithmetic operators. Is the operators are clear? Arithmetic operators are clear? Arithmetic operators are nothing but which are going to do the mathematical calculations. Is the operators are clear? Guys, any question with respect to the guys? Any questions? Online people, right? Next one, we are going to start the comparison operators. Next concept is comparison operators. What is meant by comparison means it is comparing between the two values. Then it is called as comparison operators. Here a comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. That is a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. 10 comma 20. If you are asking print a less than b, that is 10 less than 20. Whether 10 is less than 20 or not, it is going to check and the result is either yes or no. In the Python, the answer of yes means true, the word of true. No means false. We are not going to have the word of yes and no's in Python, either true or false. If it is correct means true, if it is false, if it is wrong means false. So here, these comparison operators are going to compare between the values. They are going to compare between the values, and it is going to return either true or false according to the condition. They are just returning the true or false according to the condition. So in this case, a comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. Shankar is asking that, sir, you have not shared the notes last 3 to 4 days. Please share. Shankar, already I have shared and I have uploaded in the drive. Okay, if you want at the end, again, once again, I will share you the drive link. That already I have shared you. Okay, Shankar? At the end, once again, I will if you want the drive link, I will share the drive link. But already I have uploaded in the drive. This is the drive link. Just a minute. So in this core Python folder, I already uploaded the notes. Okay. So this is the drive link. Okay. This is the drive link. And I am copying the drive link and I am pasting in this chat box. Right? Clear? Next, I'm going here we are going to work on the comparison operators. Comparison operators are nothing but a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and you are comparing between these two values, that is 10 is less than 20. Whether 10 is less than 20, it is correct or wrong. If it is correct means true, it is going to give me the output as true. If it is wrong means it is going to give me the output as false. A is greater than b. Whether a is greater than b? No, it is false. Similarly, a is double equal to b. What is meant by a double equal to b? That is nothing but a is both are equal. A and b double equal to indicates that it is checking with respect to whether both the values are equal or not. If you write a single equal to means it is called as assignment. Assignment means it is going to assign the value. If you write b a is equal to b like this means the b values will be given to the a. So this is single equal to indicates the assignment, whereas double equal to indicates the comparison. It is going to compare whether both the values are same or not. Since both the values are not same, it is going to give me the answer as false. Similarly, a is not equal to b. Yes, a is not equal to b. True. It is true. Next, a is greater than or equal to b. What is meant by A is greater than or equal to B? Means it is going to check whether 10 is greater than or equal to. Generally, we will present greater than or equal to like this, right? Then in the Python, we have to write greater than equal to. This meaning is the same. Okay. So 10 is greater than or equal to 20. We are asking like this. It should be either greater than or equal to. Anything should be there. So since it is not matching with either greater than or equal to, so it is false. Okay. Next, A is less than or equal to. 10 is less than or equal to. Either it should be less or equal to. Anything is okay. Right? So it is not, it is having with respect to less than. So it is accepting. So it is true. So it is going to give like this. So these are called as comparison operators. So these operators are called as comparison operators, and they are going to compare between the values, and it is going to give the output accordingly. Right? Either true or false. Is that clear? That is with respect to the comparison operators. Clear, guys? Any questions on comparison operators? Next one is logical operators. What is meant by logical operators? That is A comma B is equal to true comma false. That is meaning of A is equal to true and B is equal to false. Now it is going to check between should be true or indicates at least one of them should be true. At least one of them should be true. Okay, and indicates all of them should be true or indicates at least one of them should be true. Right? Now here in terms of and, okay, and or, you are having and or. So what is meant by and means whatever the first one and second one, both of them are there, both should be true. Then only the output is true. If both of them, this one and this one is true only, the output will be true. Otherwise, it is going to be false. Example, true and true is going to give the result of true. True and false. If you are having one of them as false, the output will be the false. False and true. At least one of them is false, na? So false. False and false. Answer is false. So whenever you're having both the conditions as true only, the output is going to be true when you are applying the condition of and. And means both. Both should be true. When you are coming with or, true or true, the output is true. True or false. Now the output is true because or means any one. Any one should be true. Any one. So one of them is true, one of them is false, means any one is true, right? False or true. Any one, again it is true. So T. 20. Sir. అందులో మూడులో నేను ఒకటి ఇద్దరు పోస్ట్ ఉన్నారు. ఇద్దరున్నారు. Next, false or false. The meaning is false. So now in this case, print A and B. What is A? T and F. So T and F means the output is going to be the false. Similarly, A or B, that is true or false. With respect to either true or false, the output is true. So this is going to be the output of false and this is going to be the output of true. What is meant by not false? Not false means true only. It is equal to true. So it is going to be the true. So you are going to get false, true, true as the output. False, true, and true. These are the outputs. Is that clear, guys? That is, now you are having with respect to the condition 2 less than 3 and 3 greater than 5. What is the output of this? If if this is the question, then what is the output? First, it is going to check whether 2 is less than 3. And the output is true. And 3 is greater than 5. It is true or false? False. Then it is going to have true and false. It is going to check true and false. And finally, the output is going to be the false. So when you are writing this is the conditions. When you are writing these conditions, that is first condition, condition number 1, condition number 2. If you are writing multiple conditions like this, and if between them you are using the word of end, means everything should satisfy. Everything should be T only. Then only the output is T for end condition. For OR condition means anything is okay. Either that one or this one. Anything is okay. Right? That is the meaning of that. Is that clear? Next, we are going to move on to the next one called as assignment operators. Okay, next operators are called as assignment operators. Assignment operators are nothing but going to assign the value. That is, A is equal to 10 means the 10 value will be assigned to A. That is, object 10 will be created and it is going to assign to A. And if you write A is equal to A plus 10 or A plus 1, something you have written, A is equal to A plus 1. First, the right side part will be taken. What is there in the right side part? A plus 1 is there. That is 10 plus 1. It is going to take 10 plus 1. Now the answer is 11. Now the A value will be taken as 11. 11 object will be created with A. Already the previous object with the 10 and A is there. Now it will be erased. It is going to have like this. First, the right side part will be executed, followed by the left side part. So A is equal to A plus 1 can be written similar way. A plus is equal to 1. So A plus is equal to 1 means here A plus is equal to 1. If I ask A plus is equal to 1 means what is the meaning of that is nothing but A is equal to A plus 1. Now what is the latest value of A means it is nothing but 11. You are going to get the answer as 11. Right? Similarly, A minus is equal to A minus is equal to 1. What is the meaning of this? Means it is going to take the meaning of A is equal to A minus 1. It is going to consider as A is equal to A minus 1. A is equal to A minus 1. Now, what is the latest A value it has stored? What is the last A value it has stored? 11. 11 minus 1. Again, it is going to bring to 10. Whatever the last value has been stored, that will be considered, not the initial value. Okay, whatever the latest value it has been stored, that value will be considered. Right? Next, if you write A into is equal to 4. What is the meaning of this? A is equal to A into 4. That is 10 into 4. That is 40. So that is nothing but, sir, A plus is equal to 1. You are saying this is nothing but A is equal to A plus 1. Okay. Can I write like this directly? In the Python, can I write instead of writing like this? Instead of writing like this, can I write like this? Yes, you can even write like that. Not a problem. If you write A is equal to like A plus 1. If you consider A plus 1, now you are going to get the same answer, 11 only. Sir, now which generally we have to write? Whether in this format we have to write or in this format we have to write? Which is correct? This one or this one? Which one we have to write? Miss, whichever you feel easy, that one you can write. For me, I feel this one as easy, miss, I will write this one only. If I feel easy of this one, miss, I will write this one only. If I feel this one as easy, miss, I will write this one. Because both of them are same and both of them are going to give the same result. Both of them meaning is also same. Since both of them are same, if you write in whatever the way, at the end you are going to get the same answer. Is that clear? That is with respect to called as assignment operators. Is the operators are clear? Any questions with respect to assignment operator? So assignment operator is going to assign the value only. Clear? Any questions? Next one is called as identity operators. Identity operators means whether both of them are same or not. It is going to check the identity. Identity if both of them are same means both of them should be in the same memory. Same memory means same location. ID of A and ID of B should be the same. So here you are asking the A is equal to 5 means 5 with A. B is equal to 5. For the same 5 object, one more name is B. Now it is going to ask me A is B means both of them are indicating to the same object. That is ID of A is equal to ID of B. It is asking like this. Since both of them are indicating to the same object, the output is true. So here identity operators means whether both of them are same or not. That is called as identity operators. Right? S1 is equal to Satish and S2 is equal to small Satish. Now you are asking whether S1 is not S2. Means this one and this one are both are different? Yes, both are different because caps lock Satish will be stored in the this object S1. Small Satish will be stored in the different object because Python is a case sensitive. Python is a case sensitive. So this is different and this value is different. So now I'm asking whether S1 is not S2. Means both are not the same. Yes, both are not same. True only. If I ask whether both are same means it is going to say as false. It is going to say as false. Whether S1 is equal to S2 means false. Both are different objects. I'm asking as is not. Not means I'm only saying that both are not equal. Both are different objects. Yes, both are different objects. Correct. So the output you are going to get as true. Is that clear, guys? Identity operators. Any questions on identity operators? Next one is called as membership operators. What is membership operator means? In the membership operator, it is going to check whether this particular member is member of that original one. Means you are going to take in a list. There is a list of like Shiva is there, Rama is there, and some Mahesh is there, some Pavan is there. Something you are having like this, some names. Now I'm going to check whether Krishna, whether the Krishna is part of this or not. In this 4 names are there. Shiva is there, Ram is there, Mahesh is there, and Pavan is there. Only 4 names are there. Whether Krishna is part of this, whether Krishna is available in this list in the given data, no. So that is the reason here we are just checking whether 1, 2, 3, 4, whether one is in the list, whether one is available. It is going to check whether one is present in the list or not. It is trying to check whether the one is available or not. If it is available means it is going to throw output as true. If it is not available means it is going to throw as output as false. So in this case, if you take this example, 5 in D means 5 in the list of 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is available in the given D? No. Since it is not available, it is going to say that it is not available means false. I'm asking the question whether available or not available. If it is available means answer is yes. If it is not available means answer is no. Means if it is available answer is yes means true in the Python. If it is not available means no. That is which is nothing but false. Right? So here we are having with respect to and in and not in. We are having in and not in. So 5 is not in the D. Yes, it is not in the D. 5 is not available in the D. D is consist of only 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 5? Not there. So D is not, 5 is not in the D. Answer is true. So like this you are going to get. So we have seen the first one is arithmetic operators. The second one is comparison operators. The third one is with respect to logical operators, that is either true or false. With respect to and in, and or, these are the two, and along with that not also, not. These are the three. Okay. Next we have seen with respect to next one is called as assignment operators. Next one is identity operators, where identity operators is and is not. Next, membership operators, that is in and not in. So we are having these many types of operators within the Python. So one student is asking, sir, explain the not in the logical operator. Not is nothing but not false is equal to true. Here you are having not false. Not false means true. Not true means false automatically. In which is not true means automatically. What is the meaning of that? False only, right? So now here, if you observe these operators, these are the total 6 different types of operators. Okay. Now here in these operators, what are the arithmetic operators and assignment operators? These two operators, that is arithmetic and assignment operators. Assignment operator. These are the two operators which are going to give you the result of output as numeric value, some numeric value. These two gives us the numerical value, because if you assign something a is equal to a plus 1 means it is going to give the value of a is equal to some 11. If you write a is equal to 10 means now the new value of a is going to be 11, some value, some numeric data, some numeric value. If you go with arithmetic operators also, mathematical operations, it is going to give some value. So whether you are going to go with assignment operators or arithmetic operators, the output is going to be the numeric value. Whereas if you go with remaining 4 operators, that is comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, and membership operators, the output is going to be the Boolean. The output is going to be the Boolean, either true or false. The output will be in terms of Boolean. If you do the comparison operators, if you do the logical operators, if you apply the identity operators, if you apply the membership operators, if you apply out of these 4 any operator, the output is going to be in terms of Boolean only, whether it is true or false. That's it. Right? Is that clear? Any questions? If you have any questions, you can please ask me with the operators. Any questions within the operators? No questions, right? Now, can I move on to the next? If there is no questions. Guys, reply. Yes. So now what we are going to do is, I'm going to end the session for today with this. and the next session we are going to have on Monday. Okay, tomorrow we are not going to have the session, and on Monday we are going to have the next session on Monday. Now the question is in terms of, okay, so most of the students for this internship, generally internship program is who are already having the Python knowledge, some knowledge on Python, and now they want related to data science some projects. They want to do some kind of real-time data science projects. That is the reason we have started this internship program. And but in the most of the students who are calling to the admin, and most of the students based on their feedback, we can understand that most of the students are interested with respect to they want more things, not only machine learning. Along with the machine learning, they want the deep learning and NLP or something like artificial intelligence part also. They want to include the artificial intelligence part and more things they want to cover. So that is the reason we are going to start a batch from Monday. Okay, from Monday, it is going to be the once again the fresh batch. Okay, where we are going to include everything like Python. Okay, till now we have covered what Python, core Python and Python for data science. Okay, along with the statistics, along with that the data analytics, along with that we are going to clear machine learning. Till this we used to call as data science. That is internship program which we have designed. Now we are going to add the deep learning, NLP, computer vision, and that is AI part. We are going to add the complete AI part into this, and along with that SQL and Tableau with big data, that is Spark. We are going to include the PySpark. So now entire things will be included. The complete things are included in the Monday's batch. Okay, so from Monday we are going to start the fresh batch. Okay, and in that batch we are going to start with respect to everything, as most of the people are interested with respect to most of them. So we are going to start a fresh batch, a general data science batch of mine. In my batch, it is going to automatically include this part along with the internship. In my batch means automatically this part will be included, the projects will be included. So in that I'm going to cover 10 real-time projects. Okay, 10 real-time projects and all these things. And core Python also we are going to discuss more detailedly. This is not like similar to internship. In internship, whatever the Python we are going to discuss is for the short term, and for this particular internship, whatever the projects we require, that is the Python which we are discussing. But in the actual batch, we are going to have so much of time, that is 4 months duration. It is going to be 4 months. It is not going to be just 2 months. It is going to be 4 months. Since 4 months of lengthy time we are having, so we are going to discuss very detailedly there. Okay, so generally my batch, whatever the batch I am going to take, it is going to include the real-time projects by default. Right? So from Monday they are going to start the fresh batch for the same time. Okay. Now, if you are interested, you can continue with that batch. No. Do you mean there will be two separate batches run in parallel? No. It is going to be with respect to the same. Okay, the same 10:30 only. Same time 10:30 only we are going to have this one. And I'm going to have from Monday again the demo will be started. On the Monday again there will be a demo on data science with along with the artificial intelligence. And on Tuesday I'm going to cover with respect to what we are going to do, the course contents, everything we are going to discuss here. And on Wednesday I'm going to compare with respect to various courses. Now the bits planning earlier I have shown you only the machine learning part. Now I'm going to cover the machine learning along with the artificial intelligence also. The artificial intelligence also I'm going to cover. Okay, along with the machine learning, I'm going to cover the artificial intelligence. And from Thursday, we are going to start the Python. Now in the Python, again, we are going to start from the core Python, but this time more detailedly, not like this. We are going to have more detailedly, and this course is going to be from 10:30 to 12, 1.5 hour session, and it is going to be for 4 months. Right, guys? So the further details the team is going to share to you. Okay, the team is going to share to you, and along with the fees details and whatever the internship certificate or whatever the questions you are having, everything they are going to help you out on this same. Okay, Karnesh, the same question I'm saying, Karna Shankar. Okay, so they are going to help you. The team is going to help you on this part, and what would be the fees for you, and everything we are going to discuss. Sorry, they are going to discuss. They are going to discuss with you. Okay, is that clear, guys? Since most of the students are asking with respect to, we want the artificial intelligence part also, because they are comparing with the other institutes within the Amirpet or something else, and in the other institutes they are training with respect to more things. They are feeling that more things they learn, they will get the job. Okay, so of course, anyways, that is true only, but within the 2 months we can't complete that much of things. That is highly impossible. Then I have to say only the headings, right? In short time we can't complete everything. So when we are having the lengthy time of 4 months like that, obviously when we are having more time, we can do the things more effectively. Instead of 2 months, if you go for 4 months, more effectiveness will be there. Right? Yeah, AI part will be the extension of our course. Just it is an extension of our course. Up to ML it is common. Our course and their course, everything is common. Just the remaining part is going to be the extension. So whoever already paid the fees, so you can continue the same, not a problem, but you have to stop after the machine learning. You can't sit in the artificial intelligence class. Okay, so you can't sit in the artificial intelligence class and you have to stop there itself. Who are going with artificial intelligence, they can continue till the end. No, sir, if I want to pay the balance fees and I want to sit in the artificial intelligence, yes, you can, as per your choice. Everything is as per your choice. Right? Anyways, the same course will be there, and you'll be having the internship, and you'll be having with respect to the same content wise not going to be have difference, and projects wise there will be no difference. Everything whatever I have told you in the initial, the same thing will be there. 100% everything will be there. The only difference is after the ML, artificial intelligence part is missing. That is deep learning and natural language processing and computer vision. This part will be missing. Remaining everything will be the same. And the Python also more clear will be there. I will be taking completely from the start to end. I will only take from the core Python to ending with respect to the big data, whatever the contents are there, everything I am going to handle completely. Is that clear, guys? So if you have further any questions, the counselors are going to call you, and when they have called you, just you can ask whatever the queries you are having. Okay. Okay. Bye and take care. Monday we'll meet on Monday. So what is the things we are going to cover on Monday, or you can see. Karuna Shankar, all will cover in 12,000 fees? No. The data science fees is whatever we have discussed. Artificial intelligence course fees is 15,000. Total of 15,000, not additional 15,000. It is total 15,000. Miss the machine learning and along with the artificial intelligence, it is just 15,000. The additional of 3,000 you have to pay. It is going to be only 15,000, including the artificial intelligence and big data, that is PySpark. In the big data, only the Spark will be included. here whoever the students are there and already they have fixed with 12,000 miss, the only thing is you have to drop after the machine learning. You can enroll the course, you can start the course for 12,000 and you can do everything, but after the machine learning you have to stop, and the balance part will be continued for the remaining students. That is the thing, nothing else. Fine guys. Yeah, okay, bye and take care. Any questions? Himanshu is asking the fees again. That is data science along with the artificial intelligence. The fees is 15,000. 15. For the complete course, it is 15,000. 15. 15,000. Yes, for the complete course. For that, you'll be having additional Python course also free. Means not only this Python, along with that in the Naresh IT, one of the Python courses will be there, right? So that also will be free for you. You can even attend for that course also. Clear? Yeah. Yeah. One more question is Monday's class will be continuation from today or from the start? No, from the start. That is the reason I'm explaining for you all these things. Monday's class, again, it is going to be start from the demo because on that day we are going to have more number of new students. So we are going to conduct the demo on Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days, the demos will be there, and fourth day, the Python will start. To be more precise, we are going to get into the same class, whatever we have completed till today. The next 1 week will be the same repetition. To be more precise, next week is repetition for you. Okay? Fine.